What's up, Guardians? Have you enjoyed the first weekly recap video? A week has been passed by. I'm excited to show you the second week. So last week starts with September recap, of course. KardiaChain has spent a month of productive work with amazing successes such as project development KAIstarter. Before we come into the main news, let's check some highlights that we have been working on since September. September was the month of retracement for cryptocurrencies after months of explosive growth. Regardless, this was a big month for KardiaChain as we unfold 3 of our prized products, along with many advancements. KardiaChain officially launched KAIstarter with the first project Sugar Daddy Sugar Baby, where investors can share revenue by locking their Kai to fund the production of a drama series produced by Big Cat Entertainment, then earn part of the total YouTube ad revenue. There are full product placements on the first episodes of Sugar Daddy Sugar Baby, which gained over 35,600 views and 222 comments within just 100 minutes. At the moment I'm talking, there are 570,000 views, 10k likes, and 666 comments in just one day premiere. A decent YouTube revenue is expected. Look promising. Congratulations for investors on joining to love Kai. Another big success of KardiaChain in September lies in our embarking on telecom markets by launching our mobile top-up service for the industry's 3 largest network providers, Viettel, Mobifone, and Vinaphone, gaining access to 90 million telecom subscribers. Users can quickly and easily top up mobile data and fee with Kai, or simply lock their tokens and earn free data per month. That's it for the first KAIstarter project. Have you seen the second? Futsal prize farming with KardiaChain Saigon FC, our own futsal team. The project provides an earnings share from the final prize of KardiaChain Saigon FC at the Futsal HD Bank National Championship 2020, ending this month. The tournament is being held at Lai Minh Thang Stadium in Ho Chi Minh City with a total prize value of up to 1 billion VND, equivalent to 45,000 USD. The users will predict the final ranking of KSFC and lock Kai to expect prize distribution. We have the tutorial on how to interact with smart contract and use parameter to choose your desired pool. Join here. The result is again incredible. By that, another 15 million of Kai poured into futsal prize farming. We are excited to announce that the second KAIstarter project, Futsal prize farming, successfully completed. On the 6th of November 2020, all locked Kai will be released together with the prize distribution. For updates, please follow our futsal team's journey at kaistarter.kardiachain.io/futsal. Here comes the bullish news for investors. 650 million Kai, equivalent to 80% of private allocation bought back and locked in Foundation Reserve. KardiaChain Foundation is pleased to announce the amount accounts for 15% of the total supply, or roughly 40% of circulating supply from a number of private investors put into Foundation Reserve allocation tokens, which are locked for 12 months and vested for 24 months. Please check the update token metric release here. Following the momentum of buying Kai with Visa MasterCard, KardiaChain and Intercoin have launched a Kai price prediction game via ranking. Users have joined to buy a Kai on Intercoin.com, cast their prediction following the rules, and won the rewards. Following up on the last case, due to the high demand for liquidity on Uniswap from our community and a just KuCoin security breach incident, KardiaChain community has provided liquidity on this platform for Kai Ethereum pair. Kai is now tradable again on Uniswap. All you need to do is add Kai with the new smart contract. Thank you for your patience. What's next? The first weekly recap video for the first week of October, also the first week of Q4. And what else? the launch of our new website. As some of you may know, we have had a memorable ceremony of the new office. We now own our own building. Welcome everyone to visit this spaceship. We are now at the end of second weekly recap video. How did you feel about just 1 week? Subscribe to the channel, comment below, and keep ahead with us. Goodbye, Guardians!